Hello everybody. Another work trip, another hotel. Same place I stayed a couple of years ago. I'll link that in the description. Different floor, different room though. Kind of do a little check-in here. Looks reasonably clean. The old flusher there. Got some towels, enough for a couple days. Extra roll of toilet paper. Believe that other room had that yellow ochre trim as well. There's the hair dryer. Tile work leaves a bit to be desired there. A little bit of mineral deposits on the hardware. See how that pressure is. That'll work in the handheld. Same loud drain as before. And then the shampoo and conditioner and body wash. What do we got here? And the single light up there. And the ceiling light fixture. And then of course the light around the perimeter of the mirror. It's the soap, hand bath and body and hand washing soap, makeup remover. I don't like how close to the back of the sink that it is. It's constantly splashing water on the countertop there, so that could be a little bit longer. Got the same light fixture out here. Coffee maker. Mini fridge. Danby, I think that's the same brand that was in that other room. My water, still liquid, so that's good. GE thermostat. Got it set to like 66, 67, something like that. Got the phone there. Lamp. Reading lamp. The same thing there. Another lamp here. There's the Timex alarm clock. Look at the controls panel on top and the power ports. And the controls panel on the bottom. It's a model T262. And the artwork on the wall. Pretty nice little light there. Not too bad. HVAC corner. The fan's a bit noisy. That one doesn't appear to be working. And the standard flat screen TV. A little bit of room to put some clothes there. And here's the dresser. Oh, it's got soft clothes. How about that? It's a Samsung TV set. So this is home for a couple days. One more overall look. So once again, another work trip, another hotel room. Thank you for watching.